Hello, my name is Brian, and this is my generics programming project for my class. The project demonstrates Java generics. Um, I designed it in a way that it's user driven, so the user will input all the information needed to go through all these functions right here. So the way this project was supposed to be set up, we had to have three classes at least, and every class had to have at least three attributes. So this is going to be my first class right here, which is going to be my car class, and it's going to show the attributes right here. It's pretty basic constructors, um, basic get models, and basic override method just to format the string of values when we add that in later. For the driver app, it's going to be about the same. It's going to be that driver app, basic attributes, and then basic override. For race, it's going to be yet again the same, just basic information, basic constructors, and then a basic override to make sure that uh, later on it's formatted the way we want it to be. Now, for here, since we're doing generic, we created this class, the container class. These are all generics. It's going to handle all my information that I put it into it. We did have to ensure that we have a find index uh, search function in here, and that's what this is right here. So without further ado, this is going to be my main application. Uh, like it reads right here, it demonstrates all the classes and uses generic containers to accomplish several functions. Um, so these are going to be my containers all filled out. This is going to be my cars. This is going to be my drivers, and this is going to be my race information, which is going to contain the location, how many laps, and the bet. Okay, so this is going to be my main function of my application, which is going to be my main menu. This is how I'm going to be able to accomplish to add a car, remove it. Same thing with drivers. I can add a race, remove a race, view all data, sort my list, and search my index. Um, and this is going to be the main menu that catches any kind of exceptions, which is shown uh, right here. Okay, so I broke this down by different case scenarios based on the menu. So this is going to be my case one and two deals with adding and removing cars from the car container. Then case three and four, adding and removing drivers and it catches exceptions. Case five and six, adding and removing locations for races. Same thing. Uh, Case seven is going to print out the full list of all my containers with whatever changes we have made. And then uh, case seven is a simple sort using the comparator. And then case nine is going to search, and case 10 is going to close the program out. Excuse me. So let's go ahead and run this program and just run through some basics. Okay, so for a control, I'm going to do number seven right here. That's going to give me all the information. So all the cars, the drivers, and the races. So let's see if I wanted to add a car. So let's say Hyundai model Genesis. Excuse me, Genesis coupe. It's made out in 2012, which is Gen 2 of the Genesis coupe. Then how many horsepower? 210 is the stock, right? Then let's see if I wanted to add a driver. Driver name, let's do Tony Stark. Experience level, let's say 25 years. Okay, that's going to be our age. Gonna skip the race, and then I'm gonna do number 7 again to search, to print out all our information. So right here, we can see that I added the Genesis Coupe and that I added the new driver. We still have the same races because we never changed it. And then let's see if we're gonna um, search our index list. So let's search for Brian O'Connor. And it's going to tell you that Brian O'Connor was found at index number 1. Then number 8, we'll go ahead and sort all the list. So go ahead and explain this a little bit. So these are cars before sorting. So this is going to give you the baseline of all the cars that we have. These are going to be sorted by horsepower, right? So lowest to highest. Then it's going to be by the year released, lowest to highest. And then I reversed it. So we have it descending. So the newest car to the oldest car. Then it's sorted by the make. So let's say if we want to remove a driver. But Tony Stark. Okay. And then we're going to number 7 again. And then, as you can see, it removed the driver. So this application is very user driven, and you can search, add, and remove anything within these containers right here. Hopefully this shows the benefits of using generic containers and what they could possibly be used for. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.